Meaning of gorge.
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 Gorge. The word gorge can have different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a narrow valley with steep sides, or to the act of eating greedily and excessively. In a geological sense, a gorge is typically formed by the erosion of water, often creating dramatic landscapes. Alternatively, when referring to eating, it may imply consuming too much food in a short period of time, leading to discomfort and potential health issues. Therefore, the meaning of gorge is multifaceted and can vary depending on the situation in which it is used.